My name is Chris Goodpaster. I made a online price tracker through on Amazon. Um, Today we'll go over my introduction, a little bit about me, the project overview, the code details, some very specifics, how it works, a little demo of it, and then some challenges and how I overcame them, and then my next steps for the project. A little bit about me is I have a finance and banking background. I've done everything from retail banking to commercial lending, relationship management, treasury management, large corporate, audit, and underwriting. Um, I picked Code U because I wanted to get more into the data analytics aspect of finance and become a data not scientist but a financial analyst. And I am starting my MBA in data analytics at Thomas More in May. My current role is a financial analyst at a catering company in Northern Kentucky. Um, my price tracker, a little bit about it. It's pretty much you add a product that you want to track. It scrapes the web page for the price, the current price. It stores it, cleans the data, and then can spit it out in graphs and a spreadsheet. So some of the tools and libraries I use, web scraping. I use Beautiful Soup, um, scheduling for my automatic scheduler, and then SQL for the SQL aspect of it. And then this is a little bit of about how it works. We'll go into this a little more detail during the demo. So this is the user interface. So from top down, you just add the product nickname that you want to call it, the website, add product, set the scheduler. It can run as often as you want it to, and then check the prices for the last 48 hours, and then display the graphs. These are the three relevant graphs that I have currently. I can do a lot more of them, but I think these are the three most important. The price over the time since you've been tracking it, the last 48-hour change, and then the price over the last 48 hours. So those three I think are pretty relevant. And then here is just a quick demo of running the code. So you run the user interface. Interface pops up. Select whatever you want to copy from the website. So this is in this case it's pots and pans. Go back, add it to the code. Nickname first, which is pots and pans, is what I called this. Copy and paste. Add the product. Product's been added. And you can also delete products if you no longer want to track them. You can switch the scheduler every 1 minute, 1 hour, 3 hours, 6 hours, 12 hours, or at specific times. Turn the scheduler on, it'll run on that time until you stop it, or you get banned from Amazon. Currently, you can see it in the background there, collecting the data from. I clicked the 48-hour price changes, so it will collect them and then pop up and tell you what the price changes are of all the products that you're currently pulling. I actually have that set to run now anytime you start the scheduler as well. It also cleans the data and puts it in a Excel file that I'll show you in a second. Then you open the graphs, and this can live generate whatever graphs that whatever we have running currently. So again, same three: history, price history, last 48 hours, and then the price change. And this is what the Excel file looks like after it's been cleaned. Currently, I'm up to over 600 individual lines of data. I've been running this since probably January 1st or something like that, every single day, trying to make sure it works. Sometimes I get banned, sometimes I don't. This you can put into Tableau or Power BI and customize your sheets in whatever you want to put up with the graphs. A couple of the challenges: the web scraping, the anti-bot logic was a hard one. Making sure you didn't get banned from Amazon. If you run it every minute for more than 3 minutes, Amazon will shut you down. The scheduler was pretty tough to make it work while the UI user interface was working. and then figuring out the cleaning data in the JSON file were a lot of fun. My next steps for this, I'd like to try to generate weekly PDFs that send out to users for changes in historic data, API for more historic data, real-time alerts. So if something drops below a certain price, you get an email or a text message or something, or just a notification on the computer. Multi-source, I'd like to be able to add other websites in and choose which ones you want to use. Online capability, I'd like to be able to activate this for my phone or a remote location. And then here's my contact info.